Hello everyone, let's get to the problem. To solve this problem, we need to equate the determinant of the coefficients of the equations to 0. This is a typical question of system of linear equations. Uh, doing that, finding the determinant, we can further analyze the value and choose the correct option. Thus, when we make a matrix of all the coefficients and equate to 0, the on final determinant, the value which result is minus of 1 minus a square equal to 0, which has only one solution, that is a equal to 1. As soon as we put a equal to 1, the equation 1 and 2 become identical. Thus, for considering the case of no solution, in which means all three equations are identical, it means that b is also equal to 1. Putting a and b equal to 1 in the determinant gives us the value 0, thus a singleton. Option 3 is the correct answer.